It's raining here, but that's not going to stop me. I got parts ready to paint. Camera, come on, cooperate. There we go. I have gotten these sanded and wiped down a couple times already. I'm repainting these because they had some spots that weren't that great. Like right here on the fuel tank showed yellow instead of orange because it's so light, and the fuel tank strap was a completely different color, orange. So I'm going to even it all up across all of them to hopefully make it all match. So I've already got it wiped down. Now I just got to mix up my paint and get started. Well, I just finished painting for tonight. I was hoping to just do one coat, but I think I'm going to end up doing two because I'm not real happy with how this went. Now, it may look good on camera, and it looks much better in person, but I was having problems with the spray gun, and it wasn't spraying evenly. I thought it was cleaner than I thought it was, but I had to get up close and hold it in one spot a lot more. So I don't know if you could tell, but it's not very even across there. So I'm gonna wait and come out tomorrow, and if it's not raining, I mean, look at that. I don't know how that's gonna turn out, but I'll look at it tomorrow, see how it looks, and maybe wet sand it a little bit and do another coat. So yeah. Alright, so when I painted the parts the other day, they didn't turn out the way I wanted them to because I used too rough a grit of sandpaper on prepping them, and I had some problems with the paint sprayer and the way it was set up, but let me show you what I got now. I have it set up like this now so that I can actually see what I'm trying to do, but you'll see that if I get close enough, I don't know if I'll pick it up. I don't know if you see the scratch marks in it, like right here, those lines going this way. So I'm going to wet sand the pieces and put another thick coat of paint on it, and that should fix it up, I hope. The camera makes it look a lot better than it really does. So yeah, I'm gonna sand it and then paint it again. Alright, we got the pieces back on the tractor and stickers on, and it looks much better. Still not done, as you can see, but it's getting there. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.